Welcome to another informative Did You Know video. Today we'll explore a technician-specific feature called Tech Toolbox. This powerful feature is accessible only to users with the technician role who are actively checked into an appointment. Additionally, we'll discuss a handy navigation feature that allows technicians to quickly return to their checked-in appointments. To access the Tech Toolbox, technicians can begin from the home screen and select the Tech Today option in the left navigation menu. This view displays all appointments scheduled for their day. By clicking into their next appointment, technicians can access their At Work screen and check into the appointment. Once checked in, technicians will notice a Toolbox button located in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this button provides them with several common quick actions they can perform, such as uploading a file, creating a new task, or sending a message campaign. Furthermore, technicians are presented with convenient links to connect with the central station and the interactive service provider for the customer. If the customer is already connected, technicians can manage the connection directly from the toolbox. It's important to note that the Tech Toolbox is available exclusively on the Tech at Work screen. However, if a technician navigates away from the screen, they will always have a quick navigation button to return to the appointment they are currently checked into. These features are available on both desktop and mobile devices. On mobile devices, the Toolbox proves especially useful for technicians whose workflow involves capturing pictures of installed equipment and uploading them into SecurityTrax. Thank you for watching this Did You Know video. If you have any further questions or need additional guidance, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.